Alright, so for breadth first approach, what we want to do here is to print, or sorry, we are going to be passing to breadth first search an array, and the idea is that we are going to be printing the array, or we are going to be saving in this array in the nodes from that node to the children's inside of it in a breadth first approach. And the idea here is that we have, for example, this node, and if we start with A, then we want to be doing BCD, then EFGH, then IJK, right? So the way to solve this is that we can all we have to do here is to solve this, right? And how do we solve this? So one of the ways to solve this is that we can create a queue, and the idea of that queue is that in that queue we save the children, and we go appending every children in it. So let's say we start with A, then we put the children of B, C, D, and we shift A, then we go to the next one, then we put the children of B, which is EF, and then we shift that, we go here, we put the children of C, which in this case is nothing, we shift it, and every time we take it out we add it like to a new array, and then we printing back that array, right? Yeah, let's go over here and let's try making that breadth first search. So we are passing in an array, and we want to store in this array the nodes inside of that node. So you had this class node, and we had this breadth first search, and in this array we are going to be having them sorted down in the breadth first search, right? So first we want to create our queue, and we want to start with that node, right? So that node is going to be this. The idea now is that we are going to be saying, while the queue is not empty, is larger than 0, I want to see if I want to shift the first element, because we are going to from the start of this queue, and we are shifting that element, and we are saying, okay, so we are going to be shifting that, and we can create like current is equal to array dot shift, and then we want to push that current into our array, push current. I know that we're shifting it, so it's not going to be no longer on our queue. And now we want to, for each children, we want to, for of current, we want to pass down, we want to put that on the queue, right? So queue the push on the end, so it's going to be pushing, and we add child node. Then after that, then that should be it, and then we return the array. Let's see if this works. It doesn't work. Current is not iterable. Dot name, because we want to put the name here, so we have the node and we have the name, which should be the letters here. Let's see. Oops. Sorry. Queue the shift. We want to shift from the queue. Oh, right, because we have the children of this node. We're not just, yeah, it's not, it doesn't automatically like say the current is not like the array, right? It's the children of this binary tree. And when we can submit this code, and that's it.